Hi, hello, and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Linet Ngina, and today we're going to be preparing beef biryani. Our beef biryani is really easy to make. So without further ado, let me show you the ingredients that I'm going to use to make this biryani rojo. Trust me, they are readily available everywhere. So let's get started. In our blender, we have placed tomatoes, garlic and chili and a few onions. We're going to blend everything together so that we can pour our mixture into the meat so that it can marinate. Then as we are blending our marination, we are also going to be deep frying our potatoes, which are going to be used in the stew later on. Our potatoes are ready. We have removed them from the oil. Now we are deep frying our onions so that they can caramelize and we can start cooking our beef biryani stew. As you can see, our onions are almost ready. We are about to remove them from the heat. We have mixed our marination with our meat. This is ready to go to the cooker. We're going to put the mixture on medium heat so that it can cook slowly, and we just keep on checking on the mixture and stirring so that it does not burn. I told you my biryani is really simple to make, and basically that's it. The only thing remaining is to add the caramelized onions and our deep fried potatoes, and our stew is ready. So let's place this on the jiko, and as it cooks, let's prepare the rice. For our rice, we're going to be using 2 cups of rice. We're going to be using cumin, cloves and some black pepper seeds to add flavor to the rice, and some caramelized onions also. So let's prepare the rice. After washing our rice, we're going to add 4 cups of water, and we're going to let our rice boil until it's almost dry. Then you're going to add the food color. We're going to let our rice boil on low heat until it almost dries up completely. Then you're going to add the food coloring. Then you're going to add all those other extra spices. Do not forget to keep on stirring your biryani so that it does not burn. As you can see, ours is boiling, and the aroma, the smell, I'm telling you, my oh my, it smells amazing. Okay, we're going to add 2 spoons of oil, and then we're going to let our stew continue boiling for a while. Then we're going to add our potatoes and our onions. I've added in the potatoes and our caramelized onions. We're going to stir on low heat and let it cook for about 10 minutes before we remove it from the heat. Our biryani is ready. We're now going to wait for our rice before we serve. As you can see, our rice is ready, and I've added our onions, our cloves and our cumin and whole black pepper seeds, and I'm going to also add in my food color, and then I'm going to put it on the jiko so that it can dry up completely. Then our rice is ready. Our biryani stew is already ready. We're now waiting for the rice to dry up so that you can serve an amazing meal. And as you can see, it's really simple to make. You don't even need maziwa lala, you do not need raw popo. All you need is fresh milk, and you have your biryani. As you can see, it looks yummy, it looks tasty. I cannot wait to eat it. So I want to thank Pishi for giving me this opportunity. And if you try this out, don't forget to tag us on social media